repair, repairing tissue, repairing cells, fixing them, and all that. Your transcription of enzymes, proteins, or peptides, or metalloproteins, or whatever, all these little machines inside your body, around your nucleus, there's a thing called the rough endoplasmic reticulum. In there is where all this stuff, the machinery, is to produce all this sort of stuff. That sort of stuff can be affected by too much sugar, viruses like C19, and a lot of other things that can actually interfere in those mechanisms working properly and producing the stuff that is going to repair oxidative stress, blah, 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 all these sort of things. Goes on and on. So what taurine does is goes in there and reduces the glycation, but also it goes into the mitochondria, reduces the glycation, it reduces the oxidation there. And also in the endoplasmic reticulum, where you've got all these machines that are building your enzymes, your different proteins, building structures for the body, those proteins need to be folded properly. And taurine also plays a folding role. So it folds proteins in the correct way so they function properly. Misfolded proteins is one of the major signs of aging. And many people that have got cancer or a lot of degenerative diseases have high levels of misfolded proteins. And the thing that actually combats and reduces misfolded proteins is taurine, which is one of the key sulfonic acids found in animal foods. Populations that eat an animal-based diet have less cellular damage and have better cellular repair because of the taurine that's coming from the animal foods. But, obviously if you've got a lot of damage because of inappropriate diets for many years, you can take more of this to facilitate more repair. It actually also lowers senescence. It lowers the senescence of cells and the immune system. That means it keeps your immune system younger and less damaged, and also cells younger and less damaged. And those that are really damaged, it kills them off. It forces apoptosis of cancer cells and of senescent cells. That's the magic of taurine, in a sense. And it plays a whole lot of regulatory roles throughout the whole body. It's a master regulator. It's like the god. It's like a god in your body, regulating everything. It's an ancient molecule that goes back to early life, regulating the way cell functions in deep water, pressure. That's why it reduces blood pressure, normalizes things, all that, brings them back into homeostasis, a lot of systems throughout the body. It's not like a blunt instrument. It even acts like a calcium channel blocker, but it's not like a blunt, like blood pressure meds that are calcium channel blockers, but it's not like a blunt tool. It sort of regulates that. And so it acts like a calcium channel blocker without being one. It's great stuff. And it's a key constituent of animal foods. Unfortunately, the way we process animal foods nowadays, and we hang them up and we lose a lot of the fluids, with the fluids goes the taurine, our food tends to be lower in that amount, unless you're having snap frozen meat, or snap frozen fish, which is going to be higher. But yeah,